Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. It's July 25, 2023, almost 3 in the afternoon, almost power hour, and I'm just doing a recap. So today it was a long day for me just because SPY have been almost flat. We're up by 0.47% for the day. So that's really not much of a move from SPY. Just imagine it moved from 453 all the way to 456. $3 move from the SPY is not a big deal. So with that, some of the stocks had been trading range bound as well. It haven't picked a direction of which one or which direction it wants to go, either to the long side or to the short side. So considering that SPY is a range kind of day, you would need to know what kind of a day the market is giving you. If it's a range bound, then do a scalping. And so that's what I did today, a couple of scalps today. So let's begin here with BABA. So with BABA, I traded this one to the long as well as to the short side. To the short side, I have 550 lost, but to the long side, I have 190 gain. So what I saw with BABA was at the daily, it opened right here at, let's see here, daily opened at 98. We had a rejection at 98. And so with that rejection, had that massive move. So what I've been waiting for BABA, and the reason why I got a red there to the long side was I keep on trying to do a reversal. So we have this bottom, we have that support, and I tried to long it, added to my position, and I got stop out. Then we tested that level again at this level. So I started another position to the long and got stop out, all out right here, added to the long, a little bit of a move there, started a long, got a little bit of a move, and then short this one, got that little bit of a move. So with that, to the long, I got a loss of 550. Lots of trial and error, unnecessary there. It's just I got trapped right here at the consolidation, and then to the short, just this little bit of a move. So still was a negative with BABA. So that one was the BABA trade. Next one is Disney. Disney was a frustrating trade as well because I keep on waiting for a reversal. So once we're topping up there, we open a big gap down. So I'm short bias. I keep trying to do the reversal. So shorted it here, got stop out, short again, stop out, short, stop out. Short here, was able to get this little bit of a move, but not a lot of move that I was able to dig myself out of the hole in Disney. So I would still have a loss of 618 with Disney. So that one was the Disney trade. So a lot of fake out and a lot of consolidation. So this one for me is the killer, because imagine from 10 all the way to around 130, it's just in that consolidation, and that one was just a killer. 2 power outages as well today, so I do have a third video in YouTube just because it keeps we keep getting power outages here in East Coast. So that is Disney. GE is the trade for the day. What I saw with GE was a very nice move here to the long side. So a big gap up. You can see here the daily, you have the consolidation there, and then it opened right here around 114, shoot up. We have that inverted hammer, and I was calling this one out. This is a textbook setup for a 9 EMA. You write it once it tests the 9 EMA and you long it. It is a gap up, so you are long bias. I did not get to see that when that happened, so I was late to the party. So what I did was shorted. What I saw is this is our high of the day. We have this topping tail right there, and that wick right there is a signal that we're heading weak. So we're heading lower. So I shorted it here, added to my position, got stop out right there. So that one was the first tab. Now that we established that price there, so this price right here was established, tested that top again. So that is now a double top. I shorted it again because I got stop out, but the thesis is still valid. Was able to ride it all the way to the VWAP as well as the 9 EMA, so all out here, but was able to capture that move. So tight stop lost here, captured the move. So that one was a 2-to-1. We formed another top here, which is a triple top, shorted there. Now I was building my position because now we have a strong ceiling, because now we have formed a triple top. So with that triple top, I shorted it there, was able to capture the move all the way to the moving average, short again, and was able to get partial here. Short again, added to my position, little bit of a move there. So with that in and out of trade to the short, I was able to get 1600 with GE. So that one was the GE trade. Next one is the GM. So with GM, I was short bias as well, just because we have a big gap down here. So big gap down. At the open, it shoot right up at the VWAP. I shorted it here, was able to capture that little bit of a move, shorted again, got stop out. We tested this moving average. We got the topping tail, so I shorted it there, added to my position, trailing my stop, was able to capture that move. I got stop out before it did that huge move. So with this move right here, was able to capture just like a break even there. So only 150 with GM. Next one is Triple M. With Triple M, I was short as well. Triple M is just like a break even. So a gap up, did not get to do a VWAP play. This could have been in A plus setup for a VWAP. So what I did was at first sign of weakness, so you have that topping tail, shorted it there, got stop out. We formed another high of the day, shorted it there, added to my position, was able to capture that move, short again, got stop out, short again, little bit of a move. So with that, it was just a break-even trade with 3M. Next one is NEO. NEO is a long as well as a short trade. So with NEO, let me just remove my levels here. Okay, so NEO was a continuation play. This is the second day. You have a gap up right here, topping tail, rejection at the VWAP. So what I did was I did a 9 EMA, so went long, was able to capture that, long again, capture that one, short, was able to capture, and then long. So very small move, and with NEO, it's just from 11.9 all the way to 12.4. So that is a scalp trade, 50 cents move. So with NEO, I was just able to get to the long, 256, and to the short, a $40 move there. The next is RTX. RTX, I was short bias with RTX. Initially was a red trade, was able to dig myself out of a hole with RTX, and I was short bias with RTX just because we have this huge massive sell off right there. So you have the consolidation here at the open. We open right here at around 85 and was just continuation here at a sell off until what time was that, around 10. Tested the VWAP and was just consolidating at the VWAP, was able to pass through this initially the high of this consolidation and was about to test the high of the body of this candlestick. So when I saw that, I started shorting, a bit premature, so got stop out, short again, got stop out, and then at this short, which I added to my position, was able to capture that little bit of a move. So was able to dig myself out of that 390 profit with RTX. So since it's a power hour, there's going to be a lot of movers, and let's just take a look. What kind of move are we looking at? NEO just consolidating there. How about Triple M consolidating at the VWAP? GE consolidating as well. Look at this one, it's not moving at all at that 5 minutes. And then you have GM consolidating at the VWAP, Disney at the VWAP as well. So unless it's an opening play, VWAP is not the best place to start or open a position because it can either just break the VWAP or go below VWAP. Next one is RTX. RTX is just trying to test the high of the day again. But at this point, yeah, this can be either a long or a short. No biases there. So yeah, I'll call it a day, longer day than usual, but I'll take what the market is giving me. And this is the kind of day that we have because this buy again is just flat. You're just up by 0.39% or up by $1.77. So that's not a big move for a SPY, and that's the reason why the rest of the stocks is just on a range-bound trade. So with that, I hope you guys had a better trading day than me, and thank you so much for watching. For those of you who are asking on where to begin on how to day trade for a living, please feel free to check our website out. It's called ecourseunlocked.com, and with that, you can check our syllabus. If you just wanted to have a stab on day trading, then you can also check our book that is now published in Amazon. It's called Day Trading Unlocked by Mary de Guzman. Please check that one out. Our syllabus is there, and you can even download our 20-page PDF file for our top trading strategy. So please check that one out. All you need to do is click this link and you'll be able to download that. So with that, thank you so much for watching. We'll do this again next time. And if you do have questions, please feel free to email me. And yeah, happy trading.